When you move your focus from competition to contribution, life becomes a celebration. Never try to defeat people, just win their hearts. Before you assume, learn the fact. Before you judge, understand why. Before you hurt someone, feel. Before you speak, think. True love is born from understanding. Hardest test in life is the patience to wait for the right moment. The best way to predict the future is to create it. A positive mind finds opportunity in everything. A negative mind finds faults in everything. If you focus on life's positive, then negatives will fade away. If you have to choose between being kind and being right, choose being kind and you will always be right. When you are truly comfortable with who you are, not everybody will like you, but you won't care about it one bit. Helping one person might not change the world, but it could change the world for one person. Always speak how you feel and never be sorry for being real. You can't build a long-term future on short-term thinking. Your mind will always believe everything you tell it. Feed it faith, feed it truth, feed it with love. No one sees how much you do for them. They only see what you don't do. The greatest gift you can give someone are your time, your love, and your attention. Anger or hatred is like a fisherman's hook. It is very important for us to ensure that we are not catched by it. Remember, someone is happy with less than you have. Letting go means to come to the realization that some people are a part of your history, but not a part of your destiny. My goal is not to be better than anyone else, but to be better than I used to be. Weak people revenge, strong people forgive, intelligent people ignore. The hardest battle is against yourself. To heal a wound, you need to stop touching it. If you realize how powerful your thoughts are, you should never think a negative thought. If you focus on the hurt, you will continue to suffer. If you focus on the lesson, you will continue to grow. When you forgive, you heal. When you let go, you grow. Nothing is permanent. Don't stress yourself too much, because no matter how the bad situation is, it will change. Your past mistakes are meant to guide you, not to define you. Be with someone who is good for your mental health. Expect nothing and appreciate everything.